Hi, I'm Claire and welcome to my Ayurvedic kitchen. I've just written an Ayurvedic cookbook, and as well as including traditional Ayurvedic recipes, I decided to include some other recipes that might be of interest to a larger community. After a decade of doing Ayurvedic cooking courses, I've had the opportunity to work with some fantastic chefs. I consider myself an Ayurvedic practitioner, and along the way I've learned some fantastic ideas from them. I'm going to be making a recipe which I feel will be really popular in my cookbook, and especially with your friends and family, and possibly even as lunchbox ideas, is kale chips. We're breaking up the kale into bite-sized pieces. You can get your family involved in this. I know my son Stuart would quite enjoy the hands-on experience of tearing at the leaves along the spine. So we don't want the spine in the meal. In our South African gardens, you can grow a selection of spinaches. We've got Swiss chard, mustard spinach, baby spinach. Kale grows beautifully. Morogo, which is a typical African spinach, very hardy, and it will just keep seeding itself. Green leafy vegetables are super nutritious and alkalining. Okay, so now we've got it in bite-size bits, just going through here, breaking it up a little bit smaller. See those beautiful colors and textures and sizes of our kale. Next to our kale, we're going to add some cumin powder as well as salt. Ideally, we want to get it evenly distributed, so let's go with half a teaspoon. Cumin is a digestive and quite tasty, quite pungent as well. So we'll go for less rather than more. And through experience, I'm only putting a half a teaspoon of salt as well. The salt just makes it moreish and you want to go back for more and more. Next, I'm pouring over some grapeseed oil. Why grapeseed? Because it's a simple flavor which doesn't overpower our cumin and our salt. For the viewers at home that didn't know, I qualified as a massage therapist in 1999. Back then we studied for 3 years on qualification, and a couple more years later I'm now doing Ayurvedic treatments, and from then I learned Ayurvedic cooking, so you can imagine why I had to bring the massage element into my cooking as well. So massaging all the flavors into the kale. So next I'm pouring the kale onto the tray, and we're going to distribute it evenly. There we go, looking good to me. Pop this into the oven for 10 minutes on 180 degrees. Through experience, after 10 minutes, it's best to switch the oven off, opening the door slightly and allowing the moisture and the oil to evaporate in order to give a nice crispy chip. Looks like our chips are done. Let's have them out of the oven. And I'm going to plate them on this beautiful dish to serve to my guests. Oh, I can't wait to have my teeth in those. So one final handful, make it nice and tall. One thing I can say is that these chips are delicious and nutritious compared to other chips you might buy. So good, can I have more?